So this graph shows the COVID-19 cases in the year 2020 based on different World Health Organization or WHO regions. It compares how many confirmed cases were recorded in each region and how cases increased over time. The purpose of this graph is to help us understand which regions were most affected by COVID-19 during that year. So, in discussions, based on the graph, the Americas and Europe have the highest number of confirmed COVID-19 cases in 2020. This means that these regions were greatly affected by the virus. The Eastern Mediterranean, Western Pacific, and Southeast Asia have fewer cases compared to the Americas and Europe, but their cases still increase over time. Africa has the lowest number of confirmed cases among all regions shown. Overall, the graph shows that COVID-19 cases increased rapidly in many parts of the world, especially starting around March to April 2020.
Regional comparison. The graph compares COVID-19 cases by whole regions. The Americans and Europe have the highest number of cases. Other regions like Eastern Mediterranean, Western Pacific, Southeast Asia, and Africa have fewer cases. This shows that COVID-19 affected some region more than other during this time. Dito na ipapakita na mas mabilis ang pagtaas ng positive cases ng COVID-19 sa Europe at Amerika dahil siguro mas marami ang hindi sumusunod sa mga protocol tulad ng 3-meter distancing and wearing face mask. At sa mga bansang mababa ang bilang ng positive cases ay dito na ipapakita na karamihan sa mga mamamayan sa lugar nila ay sumusunod sa mga safety protocol para mas maagapan ang paglala at paglaganap ng COVID-19 virus.
At the start of the year, the number of reported cases was relatively low. However, as time progressed, particularly during the months of March and April, a pronounced acceleration in case numbers was observed. The graphical data illustrates this said pandemic, with tall bars indicating a substantial increase in daily infections, signifying a rapid spread of the virus. This escalation is indicative of the virus' high transmissibility, which lead to a significant surge in cases globally. Or in other words, the virus was spreading quickly.
In conclusion, Americas and Europe were the most affected region in terms of total confirmed cases by May 1st, 2020, with 1,864,468 and 1,801,668 cases respectively. The Americas region had the highest number of cases among all regions shown. Eastern Mediterranean, Western Pacific, Southeast Asia, and Africa had significantly fewer confirmed cases compared to the Americas and Europe during this period. A sharp increase in daily cases is visible in the stock area chart starting around early April 2020, primarily driven by the surge in the Americas and Europe. In other words, the graph helps us in how COVID-19 fast grew in the year of 2020.